So, long time no see, eh? I am back. Finally couldn't stay away from recording for you guys any longer. I had to come back and have a chat, catch up, see how we're all doing out there. What's been going on? It's been so long since I've sat here and been really trying to film a video. I've been filming bits and pieces here and there, and you may see some of that at some point in a vlog or something like that. But yeah, I'm actually just going to do a good old unboxing for you, just like in the old days. Where am I? I'm in my hallway. This isn't going to be my official new filming place, but if you've been following me on Instagram and maybe on Twitter as well, I have moved, and in the moving house, my new filming area is not set up yet. My beauty stuff is still in boxes, and I'm just working on one little bag of stuff, like wearing the same 3 lipsticks over and over again. Yeah, so I thought for today, this kind of looked okay. It's not ideal, but it's what we have. It's a little bit echoey as well, so I apologise about that. Anyway, I thought what better to bring you than, for my comeback video, than a brand new box. This Eve's Parcel. You may have seen them around. They were known as Miss Flo, and I did do a review video on them, which I'll put a little card up there, a while ago, but I wasn't too keen because the price was a bit high and the items were not as good as Pink Parcel. And if you're not going to be better than Pink Parcel, then you really have to be cheaper than Pink Parcel. That's the thing. So what have they done? They listened, and I guess I mustn't be the only one who said that, because they rebranded and now they're known as Eve's Parcel. And they're cheaper. That's what this video is going to be all about. This was the original first one, which, was it July or was it August? I think it was actually August box, but obviously I've just been way too busy between life of moving and life of pain. There has not been any time for this. I don't even know what's in here. So I'm desperate to find out what is inside some of these boxes, which I've got stacked up waiting to be filmed. So, you know what I'm going to say. Shall we get ready? It feels good to say it again. It would be great if you could join my High Def family. I've gained a whole bunch of new subscribers since I've been away, so thank you so much, guys. It would be awesome if you could give me a thumbs up. Been missing those. You can also hit the notification bell. You never miss an upload then. And, of course, when you're done, share the video, because everyone needs to find out about this, right? Okay, let's get into the video. Eve's Parcel. It's got a few options that I just want to quickly tell you about. There is a little code that I'll put on screen, welcome 10, you get 10% off. The subscription renews on the 21st of every month, rather than the beginning or like very much at the end. Very much at the end, what am I saying? Rather than the beginning or the end. You get different options. So it's $12.99 for a box with tampons or pads, or you can get a parcel with just beauty items, which is actually what I have now ordered for my next selection. So we'll see what it's like. I mean, I hope it's good because I haven't even opened this one yet. But yeah, and that's £10. There's also a one-off trial box, which is £10 if you wanted to test it. It includes enough sanitary products for 5 to 7 days. What else? You can pause it. You can order the box like the 1st or the 5th or the 5th. I think it's like that. Different dates throughout the month anyway. Oh, 3 delivery dates. There's 3 delivery dates. It's delivered discreetly in a grey packaging, so you don't have to worry about anyone knowing what it is if you're worried about that. And you can cancel your subscription at any time. And P&P is $2.95. It won't fit through the letterbox though. I think that is pretty much as I can say about this. Okay. So what they say about this is, Eve's Parcel is specifically designed to make your time of month a breeze. Your parcels are personalised to include your preferred sanitary requirements as well as an array of treats and surprises. Receive 5 or more self-care, beauty, skincare and lifestyle products focused on you and your personal well-being every month. And that's it. And of course you can send it as a gift or whatever. Whatever. Let's open it up. It's just one of these, you know, like this. Oh, oh. What does it say? Welcome to Eve's Parcel. Your August parcel, so it was August, thankfully, has been curated with you in mind. We at Eve's Parcel are all about female health and well-being. We want you to feel amazing both on the inside and out. Your parcel has been filled with products to help you relax, unwind and indulge. We have also included our yoga move of the month to help you feel great physically, as well as a positive affirmation for the month to make you feel amazing on the inside. We hope you enjoy your parcel as much as we have enjoyed creating it for you, and hope you help us spread the word by telling all your friends and family about us. Instagram at Eve's Parcel, hashtag Eve's Parcel, and I guess everything's on the back. Can't do it. Right, there we go. That is what is inside. It does look nice and full. So this is a bag of, I think it's tampons and pads, yeah. It's been so long ago, I can't remember what I chose. So this is supposed to be enough for 5 to 7 days. It does feel a little less than what you get in a Pink Parcel, just to compare. Let's have a look. It does explain to you on the website how many of each you're going to get, by the way. It's just me, I can't remember anything. So I've got 5 pads, which look like maybe night pads, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tampons. And they are like the big size. You can choose the size as well. But these are going to be donated to the food bank. So now we're in the packaging, I'll find something else to put them in. So I do think you get a little bit less than with Pink Parcel, if my memory is correct. I'm sure you guys will let me know down below. But yeah, that's just one factor to think about. Okay, what is this? Bubble tea. I've had something from them before. Bubble tea, summer fruits tea, bath popsicle fizzer. Oh, bubbles and tea edition. So, we bring sweet treats to your bath without the calories. Our gorgeous summer fruit tea blend is sure to provide tranquility in your bath. And it's got goji berry in it. Tea is liquid wisdom, just add water. Paraben free, SLS free. Well, you know what it's like when it's that time and you've got a bit of pain and you want to just soothe yourself. So it hasn't actually got a stick, but that's okay, because what would you do with the stick when it was in the bath? It smells lovely though. Oh, I'm much more inspired to have a bath here, so thank you very much for that. Love it. This is full size and it says soothe aching muscles and cramps with this fun bath treat. It's to create the ultimate fresh and fruity scent. And I do agree. It smells amazing. Love it. Right. This is an old favourite, Cougar. They're around everywhere. And it's hyaluronic acid facial oil, plump and firm. And I have had this before. I've used it a couple of times. I do like it. I can't work out if it does amazing things or it just feels good on my skin, but it doesn't feel bad. And I do use it, so it is a good thing to have. It's full size, worth $19.99. Although I have to say on the Cougar website, you can often get offers. And at the moment, on this website, you can buy this if you buy it with a box for half price. So handy. And it just looks like that. And it's a very lightweight facial oil. It's nice. I like it. Deeply moisturise and plump skin to make it look firmer. Hyaluronic acid increases the skin's ability to retain moisture to give a fresher, youthful, plump appearance and reduce wrinkles. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed skin day and night. I have to say I put a lot more than 2 to 3 drops on. I just can't get it to spread otherwise. It's like half a pipette for me. So I guess my skin should be amazing, right? So that is nice. I like that. Ooh, sweets. Favourite. This looks nice. Sparkling rosé gummies, fabulous sweets. Gourmet cocktail, gluten-free, natural colours, natural flavours. Soft gummies infused with real rosé, blended with a hint of strawberry and sprinkled with sour sugar crystals. And 335 calories for a whole bag. Well, worse things have happened. It's all gluten and alcohol free. Well, that's even better, because although I used to love alcohol, alcohol doesn't love me anymore. They smell a bit odd, like they've gone off. One on its own smells fine. The sour sugar isn't too sour, but I actually can taste the rosé. I do get a hint of wine. not necessarily rosé, but like of wine, but not in a terrible way. It's okay. I'm not sure it's my go-to flavour sweet, but I would still eat it, and I will still eat them. Just one at a time so I don't smell them. How weird is that? Now this looks like it'll be very helpful. Cure Heat, period pain. Comforting heat relief. So it's a patch you can put on maybe your lower back or your stomach. It provides targeted temporary 12-hour pain relief from the aches, discomfort and cramps associated with period pain. Simply open the sachet and apply to underwear, clothing where the heat radiates through to the source of pain. Increasing circulation, decreasing stiffness and relaxing sore muscles. Fragrance-free, non-medicinal and with a thin, discreet design, they're a convenient way to manage your period pain. I do love a heat patch. Heat does help, and I will definitely be using this either for my regular back pain or for a period if I ever get one. There's something else in here. Is this more pads? Oh, okay. So we've got what looks like 3 panty liners and 3 pads. So there you go, you've got more stuff to cover you. So, you know, for your lighter bit, and then 3 pads there for the night. So you've got 8 pads in total. So that should cover you for every night, and then 2 tampons for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 5 days worth of tampons, 7 nights worth of pads and some panty liners. So yeah, that probably would at least cover you. So not so bad, actually, now I've found those. Excellent. What is this? We have also got a tea bag, rosé tea bag from Yogi Tea. I want to have a sniff. Just looks like that. It smells quite nice. A soothing blend of rose petals, hibiscus and lavender. Rosé tea is drank all over the world. Drunk, I think it means. Is drunk all over the world to help alleviate symptoms of menstruation such as painful cramping, clearer skin, as well as improving stress and anxiety. Put your feet up and unwind with a cup of this elegant, fragrant tea. Oh, something else. Oh, mask. You know I love a face mask. And it's this one, White Clay Mask Blackhead Extraction Acne Removal. Rich in aloe extract. This product is gentle while it removes the blackheads and whiteheads without damage. It can absorb tiny cutins and other impurities on the face, refreshing your skin. This mask stays on for 15 to 20 minutes. You never know, there might be a video on this. And what else is in here? The butterfly, because this is our promised yoga move. Yoga move of the month. Every month we'll be sharing a yoga pose with you that helps relieve abdominal cramps and muscle aches. So why not join us and spend 5 minutes unwinding with us? Sit on the floor, bend both knees and slowly bring your feet together. The butterfly pose stimulates the abdominal organs and thereby increases the blood's flow to the uterus, helping to cure menstrual cramps. Butterfly pose is one of the most effective yoga poses for menstrual cramps. Wow, did not know that. I like this one because my hips are really, what is the word? With my, I'm not hypermobile in all my joints. I'm just extra flexible in some, and with my hips, they're quite flexible, so I can do this more than a bunch of other people. Not everyone. When I've been to certain classes and stuff and I've done that, everyone's been like, oh, that's amazing. And I'm like, oh, it's one thing I can actually do. Okay, I'm going to go away, by the by. I'm going to go away, add this all up and just check a couple of things out, and I will be back with you in a flash. I've been away, I've added everything up, and I just want to say this as well. I forgot the affirmation card, and it says what others think of me is their choice. What I think of me is my choice. Well, what I think of myself is my choice, and that is so true. If someone has a negative opinion of us, we can't necessarily change that. If they don't want it to change, if they're not interested in hearing what we have to say, sometimes people make snap judgments and that is it. But we can be kind to ourselves. Don't ever let other people's opinions control you. Have faith in your amazing abilities, trust in your heart and be the incredible person you're destined to be. Eve Parcel. It says, place me somewhere special where you'll see me every single day. Stick me on your fridge, your mirror, your office desk. Let me remind you every day to have faith in how brilliant you are. I like that. I think that is a nice touch to give some extra affirmation to yourself and give yourself some encouragement. I do like that. Okay. So I've got my grand total, and I got my husband to test these because, you know, he has a good mouth. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Anyway, he has good taste buds too, and he didn't think they tasted very much, and he also thought they smelled weird. But yeah, that is that. What did I find? Well, the total value of this box, the way I found it, was £28.13. The way that they've added it up makes it about £31.77, not including the pads and tampons. So the box was £15.94, less like a 10% discount, but generally, basically £16. So you know I like twice a box value. So them being at £31.77 according to them, plus pads would make it double. I can't remember if we're in Pink Parcel territory, are we? Is that about right? It's so weird because it's been so long since I've looked at anything or even been watching any YouTube. I'm so out of it, I don't know what's happening. But I think it's not bad. I definitely think it's better than the last one when it was Miss Flo. I think the price is better and I think the value of the box is better. Everything in here is definitely usable and nice. I mean, these are a bit dodgy, but you can't really tell. Like, you wouldn't know. You might like them, but you might be like, oh, how are you even saying that? These are delicious, you know? We've all got different tastes. Fine, but I'm really looking forward to trying this. Actually, they do a whole range of things in this scent, and it's delicious. Everything here is going to get used, so that is great. I'm impressed with that. I might have said that this could have been a full-size pack, you know, of 3, since it's a pack of 3 for £3.99, but who knows? I'm not in charge of these boxes. It's just my suggestion. Overall, I think that the box is good. I do think it is improved, and I am giving it another try. I've already ordered another box just of products without any pads in it. So let me know what you think. Do you think that this is a good haul? Would you be pleased with these items? Do you think it's now a bit more competitive with Pink Parcel? Obviously Pink Parcel is £12.99 and this still is £15.94 or whatever. So it's still more expensive. But you could get the version without the period products, but then it's not really the same as Pink Parcel, is it? But what do you think? Let me know down below whether it's enough to turn your head or whether you're just like, now stick with what I've got, thanks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it because I've really enjoyed making it, and I look forward to seeing you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.